What's up, man? From out of town right here. Where you from again, guys? Ontario. Ontario. And I'm saying coming SD.
Yeah.
See, we're lucky down here, guys. 2-hour drive, 20-minute drive. We're lucky.
Yeah.
Hey, good luck out there, dude. Good luck.
So much.
Basically, like
I didn't know if the measurement was actually like to the mouth of that.
we can do the tips of the tail.
Team Rodney. How you been, man?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good, dude. How's the trout fishing, man? You been going out? Dino.
Once in Santee. It's hard.
Rodney?
Ronnie.
Ronnie.
Yeah.
Trying to make it confusing for you guys.
Team R&R.
I mean, it's kind of closed mouth. Tail can't be squeezed. It can be like fanned out, but not like just fanned out. It can't be obviously like stretched, right?
Yeah.
And then closed mouth. Try to take a picture from above. Your biggest 5 fish, and you can cull.
What's that?
You can cull. So if you get a bigger one, you can just not submit that smallest one. Just let that at the end submit your biggest 5 fish and stuff. So
cool. Is there a trinket or anything, or just take a picture?
Yeah, and you can stay on the water until you can fish until 1. So like when you have to be back here at 1, you can just like line out the water at 1. It's kind of like Scout's honor, you know, like.
You know what though? Request for a light bait well, therefore you catch a little spotty, throw them in there, and then they just fan out with your biggest 5 fish.
You could do that, yeah.
No, I've been doing that, so yeah, just let them know like.
See, but you have the picture.
Yeah, true, yeah.
Yeah.
But I want the whole handful though.
I know you.
That's true.
Well, either or, you know, it's fine.
You want to keep them?
Oh no, hell no.
You're supposed to take a picture with
Yeah,
like 5 spotties.
would probably be less adjustable.
That'd be cool.
But I like the way you think.
I know.
5 spotties.
Get down there a little bit.
Man, this is like the SD Gugan squad right here, dude.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead, guys. Go ahead.
Yeah, the tape measure. Oh, I don't know. It was a second.
Yeah.
We'll be the ones fishing with all the girls on the boat.
Right?
Real keepers for reals.
Let's go hire some right now.
I get some.
Dude, you got a fish finder on your pontoon though. Look at it. It's fucking hook 4 right there.
Oh yeah. That's so funny, dude.
They should buy a fish finder.
Hey, Rodney, guess what? I saw a Glen right here, right? He's like, hey, there's the 4th skiff. It's a local superhero, YouTube star. I'm like, who is it? Who's the secret? I shut up. That's Rodney, dog. Hey, like, he wouldn't answer my question. Dude, it's Rodney, dude. Dog.
Dude, it's like
It's hard, huh? It's hard work. It's like
it's hard, but
it's fun.
I enjoy the video making process anyway,
Yeah.
so it's like super fun.
So if you don't enjoy that, it's
Quit now.
yeah.
That's my part. Super hard. I have so many unedited clips. I have like 20 gigs worth of just
Yeah.
clips that are sitting there that aren't edited.
Like you just got.
Come here.
All right.
You said 2 per boat, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, they're taking it off. Cheater.
That's okay. Like tell them to hang out during the hang out in like the no wake area. You can fish if you want, but like
no.
don't count.
We just set up.
You're waiting still?
All right. Go, Jun. All right, guys. Good luck. See you in the water. Oh yeah. Jun, you got net, and well, hey, wait. Give me the rods. The rods. Yeah, go. You got yourself? You know what? Jun, go there. Go back there, Jun. Jun, ask for a kid's life vest. But put the bag right there on top first. Get the rods. You know what? Hey, Wes, come right there. Never mind, he's right here. But get the rods though. Here. Lean it to the right. Put in the middle. Put in the middle though. The middle row. What's up, guys? Jig here at Dana Landing. We're doing a 4-way skateboards right here. Okay, Papa's my partner. Team Pal. Got Roman back there. Got Rodney Marquez and the other competitors. So yeah, guys. Hey, hang tight. Wish us luck, man. We're about to slay this, dude. Jun, what's today? No mercy, all right?
Yep.
No mercy.
Trash talk.
Trash talk, baby.
V2. 4 skiffs total.
Rodney Marquez on the background right there.
This team, what's your team name?
Hey, Team Pal, baby.
Team Pow.
Say what's up, boy. Say what's up. No mercy.
Team Filipino. Double laugh. And then Roman and Glen and all those other people.
Right. Hey, young man.
June.
Oh, there you go.
Is that big enough?
That's what I was wondering. Your boys over there was like, yeah, he's pretty small.
Alright, June. Hey, turn up the recording, June. Save the battery for now. Okay.
Yeah, it isn't working.
Hey, right, you got the memo? We're good to go. Alright, baby, here we go, dude. Okay, you're gonna start right here, June. Alright. Then go to the bowling pin over there. No, don't stack them up. They will fall off. Okay, so boat casting. Oh. Yup. Oh, no! My first hit, guys, and I missed it. Holy moly. Go on, boy. Catch him. Sean? Keep attention, keep attention. Get Papa's. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Get him, baby. Oh, little baby. Hey, Jen, here. give me a camera. Oh man, guys, got another one. And I missed it on my footage. Good job, guys. Good job, Dino. Good job. Anyways, we'll do it again. We'll do it again. Catch another one. Oh, they catch that way. Good pow again. Number 2, hopefully.
I'd say still.
Woo! Nice, boy. Really nice. Oh, and hook up. Sick. I go, boy. Measure them out. Wait till it gets hard. Stop flopping around. Careful, he's gonna flop around.
Oh, that hurt. Oh. Yeah, his teeth hurt.
Wait. Kid Papa's being a little baby right now with a very, very grumpy spotty.
Yep.
Yeah, make sure his tail's spread out.
Done.
And there we go. Whew.
Dang, buddy.
Hey,
That hurt.
Alright guys, so far we have 3 on the board. 2 by Kid P right here, 1 by me. And I didn't measure, I don't know why. And the time right now is 8:33. So the competition right now, or the skip horse, until 1 p.m. So we got a few hours to go and see how it goes, guys. Hey, hang tight. Team Jig, Team Pow. How are you missing? How are you sucking right now, missing all your hits? You're getting more hits than I am and you're missing it. I don't get that. Alright guys, it's been a while, but I got one. About time. Hey June. No, little baby, but measure him. Measure him picture. Roar! No, June, remember you get the picture and thing? Oh my goodness. Hey June. Alright guys, man. It's been like over an hour since I got hit and caught a fish. Got hit once, missed, another hit, and hooked them up this time. So hopefully we find a good spot that they're active and keep grinding, guys, keep grinding. Down. So we need
48.5.
we'll go by our biggest fish later, 5 biggest once we done. We're done, okay? Sit down, Bo, sit down. Sit down, see, they're hitting the mullets. Is that 5 fish total or is that more than 5 right now? 5? Yeah, about time. Well, it's okay size. It's not illegal, but here you go, June. All right, got him. Roar! Wait till it gets tired and measure them out. Cranking in, June, get a hit. See? Got a hit. Ooh, I think we found a spot, guys, that they're active. A lot of little baby hits though, but at least it's light, right? Keep looking behind, okay? Make sure we're not too close to the sand. Let me start the motor now. You ready? Okay. Oh, I got one. Hey, Jun. Oh man, show my thing. Get them and measure them. Let's move. Woo, 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 woo. Dang, good old Kanan, dude, and my old cell is getting the job done today. Oh, there you go. I got him though. He went to the grass. I'm gonna pull him out the grass, dude. Come here. Oh man. Ah. Just like that, dude. Houdini. Put into the grass. You lose them. Measure them. If it's 10 inches, you throw them back. No picture needed if it's small. Woo, hey, good pop up. What about her, Jun? Whoa! I think I'm dragging the ground, Jun. I told you you're being lazy. Lazy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Man, little baby fighting hard, but it's probably a little baby. See, they're biting you. Just drag it and pause for a second and wait for it. Roar! Get it, get it, get it. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it. Get it. Oh, it's a hell of it. Oh, wait. That's a baby, huh? Yeah, hop it over quick. Hop it over quick, like quick. Get him close, and hop it over. Go. There. Woo! That's not keeper though, but still nice heli. Picture, give me a phone, Jun. What the heck? That's a mullet. Closer, Jun. Oh, here you go. Yeah. Oh, got hit again. Oh, look at it. There you go. Oh, it came off. Oh, dang it. I lost my grip. Yeah. There you go. Dang it. Dope good. Oh, snapped off. Dang it. Dang it. All right, let him go. Thanks, little Kroger. Oh. There you go. Fish on? Haha, it's grass. Oh, a little. SDfish.com, baby!
70 inches. Yeah, I was like,
you must just drop onto the floor then, huh? Like,
I know. So verify with me.
70 inches is doable out here.
11?
5 fish.
9?
yes, on a good day.
Yeah.
On a good day.
Just drop it.
All right, 3 9s and 2 11s.
All right, Jake Powell's team. 49 inches.
49 inches?
Jake the Carter, 49.
Team
Oh, man.
So what's the tally here?
So, 60.5.
60.5.
Yeah. 57 and a half.
Nice.
49.
49?
You guys got 47 and a half. There we go.
Oh, my God, wins too.
Oh, yes! Not less! High five, boy!
Beat somebody.
All I think the most annoying part was the short biting, dude. Like, dude.
Max.
Or if not short biting, he got pulled to the grass. Like, oh, that's probably a big one. Damn it.
Yeah.
Damn it. What did you?
1, 2, 3.
Skip wars, nigga!
Thanks, guys. I'm so cool. I'm so good with this.
I almost went over the edge like 4 times in doing that.
You guys had the most room though.
I know.
We're struggling.
Oh yeah, we were doing distance casts.
One's like, can you get back there? I'm like, dude.
I wanted to fish the boat today too.
Like the wind and the current.
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, once the back of this motor starts going towards the rocks, I think we're like pretty much done.
Can you go faster than the skiffs?
Yeah, a little bit
bit?
faster,
Okay.
yeah. But like it turns like
as well.
it's
Yeah, I
like,
can't maneuver at
I was
all.
like 3-point turns.
Oh yeah.
Wait, you caught a bony?
Yeah.
What the?
In the bay
We went down
on
there,
a
we'd be
drop
stuck.
shot.
We'd have to do a 60-point turn.
I'd love to do like
I was like, I'm looking for blow-ups, man. It's blow-ups. I'm throwing my mega bait, dude.
Dude, there was no blow-ups either.
yeah.
There's like no boils.
We saw one right there, one little bit.
That's so funny.
Like one fish chasing maybe 2 or 3 bait fish. That was it.
Kayak or paddleboard, either or.
Yeah, you can do kayak, paddleboard. There's only 4 skiffs here. I mean, that's you're limited. You can that would.
Yeah, we're doing
let
kayaks
you
next
open
time,
it
dude.
We're gonna turn to San Diego's most hated people, dude. Hugging the skiffs.
I know.
I wasn't
All
sure
these
if, like-
guys can.
Oh, here we go.
I know this 3 right here.
The winner is 60.5 inches.
Wait, you can't
Oh,
get
yeah,
back to me there.
alright.
There you go. There you go.
The winner
Sweet.
is 60.5
Congrats,
inches.
Thanks, man. Cool.
$80.
You, buddy.
Nice. All right. Can you watch me on the landing? You.
I walk alongside over here, and we can walk off the side.
All right, cool.
Hey, the harder the better, man. Full speed.
That way the guy knows to come out and help us.
Hey, Jun, how about?
Give me my phone. I don't want that to die.
Woohoo! Oops, excuse me. Hey, Jun, remove your life vest. You good?
So you can do that Toys for Tots one?
Oh, yes, sir. How about you? For sure?
Yeah, we should all meet up or something. Like fish it together.
Oh, hell yeah.
Unless you're...
Let's come up with a team name. Even though it's, everybody.
So, yeah, right.
Team B for Team Badass. What's up?
It's harder. So let's everybody's doing it then?
Ooh.
So you're in for the
Jun. Hey, what's up, guys? Jig, and I'm doing my recap from last Sunday Skiff Wars. So Roman set up a friendly competition, 4 skiffs, 4 teams, and 2 anglers per team. So the first skiff we had Roman and Glen from OCSupFishing YouTube, and we had on the second skiff we had Joe and Will. The third skiff was my son and I, Kid P, and the fourth Rodney Marquez and his partner Ronnie. So yeah, as far as the day goes, it was tough grinding for us. You know, they were spread out, and there was an hour or so that we weren't getting any hits. So you know, a lot of short hits, grass pulling, and yeah, man, it was just tough grinding, guys. You know, even though it's a tough day, you know, I had fun, my son had fun. Even though Kid Pow sucked that day, yeah, he sucked that day, boy. He need to repolish that skills again. But yeah, yeah. So you know, it was fun, man. It was, you know, it's always great sharing the water with some other fishing enthusiasts, other YouTubers. You know what I'm saying? So it was fun. It was really fun. You know, like once again, thanks to Roman for putting this together. You know, breaking that ice and having all of us, you know, in one video finally. So yeah. And I'm always willing to do it again. Any YouTubers out there that wants to do a collaboration or whatnot, hit me up, man. You know, I'm always willing to meet new cool people. I'm saying you're not negative. I'm saying you're cool, chill, relax. You know, I'm always down to fish. All right, and also I want to do some shout outs, guys. You know, during that Sunday, I saw a few people that I knew and people I follow on Instagram that I met for the first time in person. So for people I knew, I want to say what's up to Armida and Kevin. They're from our local San Diego forum, which is sdfish.com. I believe Kevin's SN is KP Fishing, and Amita's I'd rather be F ... I'd rather be fishing. Anything else? Get your mouth together, buddy. Alright, so and also met two cool people, man, from Instagram that I follow. You know, there's Alberto and his boy Enzo. You know, I had them on my intro, and I added their Instagram screen names on there. You know, I love seeing kids fish, man. I love seeing, you know, land on a spot or whatever, and you know, more tackle boxes, guys, less X boxes. You know, I do like seeing that. So hey, what's up, guys? Nice to meet you for the first time in person, man. You know, I hope y'all did well that day. And yeah, and also, hey, I want to say thank you so much to my subscribers who's been supporting me from day one. You know, we just hit our first milestone, which is 1K plus now, but you know, I really appreciate the love, guys, support, and I'm gonna aim for the next milestone and see how far I get. So yeah, you know, once again, thanks so much, you guys, because of you, I'm doing what I'm doing. You know, this is all for fun, and you guys watching, subscribing, liking, sharing my videos, you know, it fuels my motivation to keep doing what I'm doing and posting my videos, guys. All right, you know, let y'all go. You know, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Yesterday I had a kayak session with Roman, and that video has a challenge in it that I suggest y'all watch. You don't want to miss this or miss that, or yeah. All right, guys. Until next time, get out there, get your line sweat, keep it positive, guys.